going cracking. Just elbows up. The stock cars sure put on a show and they don't hold back. And we're green flag racing. The leaders, oh, whack! Big hip, I don't know if that's a hip and shoulder or if that's a punt out of my way, and it's busy in the front row with the front two. Burr, McEwen. Burr has just been spat out, sent to the back of the bus. Back to the front, we got the 8 of Ranyahuna, the 84 of McEwen, 1 and 2 at the moment. It's busy for position number 3. Ranyahuna out in front, the 9 of Aaron Edge looking up the inside of the 62 machine. Can't get the job done. The 62's on a full head of speed coming into turn 1. Grabs the fence and has a little laydown. As the 84 spins onto the infield, we have a red flag on the speedway. Red flag on the speedway. We have a sleeping stock rod and a broken catch fence.
Come back in 3 hours.
As the safety crew here just to attend to the stock car laying on its side. Excellent job by the fireys and the safety crew. Quick on the scene. They're just checking to make sure the driver is A-OK before getting him out of the vehicle. We have dislodged around 3 poles of the catch fence. Might have a short interval break as the president makes his way onto the speedway track to assess the damage and sees if we can continue the show on. I'm sure the boys here at Lockyer Valley Speedway will do their very best to continue tonight's main event, and we will come back right after these. Thanks.